Students frequently ask how they can become more fluent in English. But then they face other questions such as where to start, what to do, how to practice, etc. Today I'll tell you what to practice from the beginning to be more fluent, and we have 3 hot headlines. For those who are new here, hi, I'm Teacher Melike, nice to meet you. Welcome and welcome back to EnglishCentral. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting updates. Now, let's get started. 1. Vocabulary and pronunciation study. First things first, you need to focus on vocabulary and pronunciation. I like to think about language as a living organism. If vocabulary equals muscles and organs, grammar is bone structure. For language to be alive and moving, having only one or the other won't work. Then continue with pronunciation because you need to be able to express those words as they are, or the person you are talking to may not understand you, which is not functional. You can check out our website for vocabulary and pronunciation practice. Click on the link in the description box to visit our website. 2. Grammar study. As I said, if we think about language as a body, vocabulary as muscles and organs, and grammar as bone structure, we need to follow our study with grammar. Because without grammar, it is a meaningless pile of flesh. Nobody will understand anything. For grammar study, you can check out our blog. 3. Skill building. When you have the first 2 done, it means you are advanced on the theoretical level, but it doesn't necessarily mean you will be fluent right away. At this point, we see a mistake made by a lot of students. They follow the first 2 steps, but then don't follow the 3rd step, skill building. If you have made this mistake, it is likely you often say, I can understand English, but I cannot speak it. Maybe you even have difficulty writing. In that case, try practicing speaking. Try talking to other speakers. I know it is scary, but to improve your speaking, you need to fight against this fear. You can have live lessons with our teachers as an example. They will motivate you. Listening. Communication has 2 ends, listening and speaking. You can improve your listening by listening to English music or podcasts. You can check out our educational materials to help you improve. We now have over 30,000 video lessons. Writing. Every language has its format for writing essays, letters, and other written texts. Learn different ways to write in different formats. You can practice by having English journals and writing letters, even short stories. And lastly, reading. Just as speaking and listening are the 2 ends of spoken communication, writing and reading are also the 2 ends of written communication. As well as learning how to write, you can learn new vocabulary and expressions from reading. Start with simple books, then move towards more advanced ones. And there you have it, 3 hot headlines for fluent English. Remember to be patient with yourself, do practice, and practice each headline equally. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link in the description box and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care.